Thank you for purchasing a Core Innovations LED bar antenna. To install your antenna, first connect the antenna to your TV using the attached coaxial cable. Plug the barrel end of the included power supply into the DC input of the antenna. Then plug the power end of the power supply into an electrical outlet. Check the signal strength. The built-in LED signal indicator shows how strong the reception is at the current location. Move the antenna around to see which locations receive the best reception. Scan for channels. Go to your TV's settings and perform an auto scan, which may also be listed as auto program, channel search, or channel scan, depending on your TV. Note that you will need to perform the auto scan each time you move the antenna's location. Using the LED lights, press and hold the M button located on the side of your antenna for 3 seconds to turn the LED lights on. Press the M button twice to switch between the two modes, normal and sound reactive. Press the M button once to cycle through the different light settings and colors. And there you have it. Now you can access HD TV channels up to 80 miles away, free of charge.